Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through how to sign up for the Walmart affiliate program in 2025, whether you are a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer. This step-by-step guide will help you start earning commissions by promoting Walmart products. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to affiliate walmart.com. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration. This is where you will create your affiliate account to start promoting Walmart products. Fill in your personal information like full name, email address, username, password, then click next. Provide your company information if applicable. Enter details about your promotional methods such as your website URL or social media profiles. Describe your marketing approach and target audience. Agree to the terms and conditions, then submit your application. Ensure all information is accurate and that your promotional platforms are activate and compliant with Walmart's guidelines. After submission, Walmart's team will review your application. Approval typically takes up to 24 hours. You will receive a confirmation email once approved. While waiting, consider planning your promotional strategies and identifying Walmart products that align with your audience. Log into your affiliate account at affiliatewalmarts.com. Click login button and enter your username and password. Then navigate to the affiliate dashboard, explore available banners, links, and data feeds to promote products. Generate unique affiliate links for products you wish to promote. Use these tools to create engaging product content that drives traffic and conversions. Walmart offers competitive commissions rates, typically ranging from 1% to 4% depending on the product category. Higher commissions are often available for categories like baby, beauty, clothing, and home. Focus on promoting products within higher commission categories to maximize your earnings. Regularly check your dashboard for click-through rates, conversions, and earnings. Use this data to optimize your content and promotional strategies. Analyzing your performance metrics will help you refine your approach and increase your affiliate income. And that's how you sign up for the Walmart affiliate program in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips, and comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching.